NDTV Profit Exclusive. The 16th Finance Commission has received recommendations from a majority of states on tax sharing. Sources have told my colleague Shrimi Chaudhary that 21 states have asked for an increase in tax revenue share to 50% from the current 41%. Now, the Commission is still awaiting the Centre's recommendations, and in fact, Shrimi joins me on the phone line with more. Shrimi, if I can get more details, what exactly have sources told you? Give us all of the updates.
Yeah, so the Finance Commission, which is, as you know, a constitutional body with one of the key responsibility to suggest how taxes collected by the central government through, income tax or central GST to be divided between the center and state. So far in that process, a majority of states, to be precise, 21 states have recommended increasing their share of central tax revenue to 50%, as the current one is 41% in their submission to the panel. However, as a part of process also, both center and states give their recommendation in part of as a memorandum to Finance Commission to work on that. So from center, they get to receive their suggestion and recommendation. And some of the reports talking about whether, center wants to slash the tax sharing to states to, 40% from current 41% is, according to sources in the Finance Commission, says that it's premature, as they yet to decide on the final revenue sharing model between center and state, because it's still some months to go, as the panel, which is being led by Arvind Panagaria, is working on the recommendation, and it was given mandate to submit its final report by October 31st. And if it gets approved, it comes to effect from FY27. So, of course, they have a lot of time at this point of time. And center in the previous 15th Finance Commission also sought the reduction in the revenue sharing as well. So at this point of time, just for the understanding of our viewer, that there is no binding on the Finance Commission to accept suggestion from either states or center. However, it's a part of process for both center and state to give its recommendation and panel go through it. Meanwhile, they are, receiving the fiscal projection from states by March is what sources indicated us, and they are in the process of collating data on all the expenditure to assess the fiscal deficit, both at the center level and the state level.
Shrimi Chaudhary, thank you so much for bringing us those updates. Sources telling NDTV Profit exclusively that states are pitching to increase tax sharing.